Hello everyone, welcome to Ease of Development. Today I am going to explain about Azure AD, tenant, subscription and default directory. In this diagram you can say first what I did, I created account on Azure portal. So I use my personal account Vakti Rawat 2014 at the rate gmail.com, and basis on that Azure have created this primary domain, and primary domain is assigned to me with the name of bhaktirawat 2014 gmail dot on microsoft.com. That is my primary domain which I got. And after that I could see on portal there is a default directory or tenant is created with the tenant ID, and under that tenant I got subscription 1. And then inside the subscription we can create various resources, where I created resource group RG core infra, RG app service, and similarly I can create subscription 2 also under that tenant. And same tenant also you can create subscription to, and then you can also define the resources under subscription to. So subscription here is basically used for your billing purpose, and then under subscription you can do further grouping of your resources by creating resource group. Then you can realize which application and which resources are using number of prices, or number of you can say some resources can use more price and some less basis on their usage. Now let us go to portal. So in portal we can see here, this is my portal, Azure portal. Let us open this Azure Active Directory, and in this Azure Active Directory which I was showing here basically, and same thing is here also. You can see name of default active default directory. This is my default directory name, and here in left corner you can see I created this account on Bhakti Rawat 2014 at Gmail, and this is on default directory. So what is the domain, primary domain they have provided? This one is my primary domain, and here tenant ID, this is my tenant ID. Okay, and then this AD is free, basically it's not chargeable, so they are saying license is AD, Azure AD free. And so this is all how when you create account on Azure portal, then they will give you this all detail for you. Now under this tenant, so basically default directory or tenant, both are almost same if you have single tenant. Now here what you can see this users and group. And now as for this diagram, what we can have in under tenant or the default directory, we can have subscription 1, subscription 2. So here I can show you how to see the subscription. Okay, so here is my subscription. You can click on subscription. This is subscription 1, Azure subscription 1, and under this Azure subscription 1 I have various resources, you can see. So here go to home page and then click on resource group which I created. So these are my resource groups which I mentioned in the diagram: RG app service dev, RG core infra dev, RG function app dev, and these all are part of subscription 1. Now if you want to create subscription 2, then also you can create and go to subscription. Here type the subscription, yes, this one, and then you can click here. It is still loading. Okay, then click add subscription, and here you can add the new subscription. So it's about to open here. So basis on your demand, free, you can go for free also, and pay as you go I use this pay as you go. If you are a student, then you can create the student subscription, and when you create this subscription, that would be part of your tenant or default directory which you created. And so in this way you can create multiple subscription, and under that you can create your application resources or application resource group to track your billing or pricing, which application is taking or which is resource are getting more price charges and which are taking less. And then also you can create a tenant, multi-tenant. So here you can type here tenant. Okay, yeah. So maintain the tenant and the tenant properties. Okay, it is just about to open. Yes. Or you can do one thing here. Go here and there is a service of manage tenant. So let me open that manage tenant service. Go to Active Directory, and here you can see manage the tenant. When you click on that manage tenant, then it is giving you a default directory, that is default, which is for which tenant id is this, this one the same. Okay, which you can see on the home page also, and same I mentioned here in my diagram also. At last 5 to 8, yes, starting from 7, and the same is here also. Okay, 5 to 8. So this is your default tenant. Now you want to create a multi-tenant, you want to create a next tenant, then you can click here create option. Okay, and then you can select active directory, and then you can click on next, and here you can give the name of your tenant. Let us suppose I can give name of tenant something like some, okay, tenant 1, tenant 2 I would say, default is 1, and here you need to mention some important thing. I would say something, okay, 2014 20 or something, 20, okay, at Gmail. Okay, Gmail. Okay, right, and then you can see this location, on which location you want to create, and this would be your primary domain for this. Oh, what are you saying? Already taken by other person. Okay, then let me print something else. Yes, no, it won't be taking this one, right? Just a minute. 0 1. Okay, this is something available, and then you can see liquid location, and then click next, and then it is validation is passed, then you click on create. Okay, it is asking you. Okay, so let us type this number HK. Okay, so now it is saying tenant creation is in progress, and this will take few minutes. So in this way you can create, you can see new tenant as soon as it get created. So this is all about how to create tenant, and then how to create subscription. So this is summary for you uh, about what we cover. Azure AD, under the AD we can see default directory, and tenant is there, default tenant is there, and then one subscription is so, and where we can create multiple subscription and tenant also. Let us see if it is created. It's still taking time. That may take some time. Okay, so in this is the process. Basically you can create the tenant, and it may take some time, so I'm not creating it, but this is all about how to create a tenant also. So thank you for watching. See you in next video. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.